I'm Bhavish, and in this video, we are going to look at running LLMs from the command line. That is, if you are used to an interface like ChatGPT where you ask questions and it generates an output, you can run the same from your command line. You can even host it on your local computer and run it from the command line. So let's see how to do it quickly. If you do like these kind of videos and tutorials, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. So for Windows, Linux, and Mac, all the operating systems basically, you can use this website ollama.com. You can go to ollama.com and under Windows, you can select this and paste it in your PowerShell, Windows PowerShell terminal. Hit enter. It will download the Ollama module for you. It will install the software, and once it is done, we'll get back. We have just completed the installation of Ollama from the command line. You can see that it has downloaded it to 100%, installed it. You can run it now using the command OLLAMA. You can then select from a variety of options such as running a model to start chatting directly or launch chat Cloud Code, launch Codex, or other things. We can install specific modules as per your requirement. For now, we can just see a simple example of running a model. You can use your keyboard arrow keys to go up and down, press enter. So these models have cloud written in them. So these will not run on your laptop or your machine, but they will be running on the cloud, just like ChatGPT. But if you are looking for privacy, you can select a model which is available for download locally. So, for example, this model, which is for reasoning and code generation locally, is of about 25 gigabytes, which is not downloaded. You can download models and you can run them on your local machine as well. I'll show an example of a model which is connected to the cloud, which we can do quickly for this tutorial. So I've selected a model. It will ask me for a connection. I will connect it using my Ollama account by connecting it with my Google account. So we have connected the Google account with Ollama. It says device connected successfully. We can close the window. We can go back to our command line. It has connected. Now we can send a message like how we would to ChatGPT, but this is completely from a local terminal. However, we must understand that this is actually running on the cloud. So we can write a simple message like, who are you? Where are you hosted? Or any other simple conversation that we would have with ChatGPT. So it also thinks, it shows all of its thinking, and it gives an answer in normal text. So normally people would use such a LLM for questions like, I want to plan a trip to Germany. Please help me with all the logistics and make a plan for 7 days for 2 people. Also add budget in USD. So it will work like ChatGPT. It will run the model on the cloud and it will give back the result that you want directly on your terminal. It has given me some options of accommodation, food and dining, booking in advance, and so on. The great thing about this is not only we can use a model which is on the cloud, but we can also run a model locally. So we can go ahead and download the 25 GB or the 11 GB model, and everything will be executed on your local machine. That was it for today's video, which was a quick little tutorial on running LLMs from your command line. Thank you for watching. If you do like these kind of videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.